morning, dear children. Today we are going to start our maths class. So the chapter number is 1 and the name of the chapter is numbers. So before I go to the chapter in detail, I must tell you one thing, that do take care of yourself and your family also from this coronavirus, because this time it is very severe than the earlier. Do wear the mask in a proper manner. Then do your sanitizing part also every now and then, so that you people be safe enough. Okay, so keep fit and fine and do study well at home. Okay, now let us go to the chapter in detail. That is, first it has given that check what I do, मतलब हम क्या जानते हैं, मतलब तुम क्या जानते हो. तो fill in the blanks. It has given first in the fill in the blanks. Like it has given 10 ones make what? Okay, 10 ones in the sense 10 ones. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones make 10. Okay, this is 10. And here also if you count, it is 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. Same way, here it is given 10 tens make what? So 10 tens. So it is in every these blocks, it will be 10, 10, 10, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more will be here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 10. So if we now add 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 times, okay, 10, 10 times, that means 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be 100. Okay. So 10 tens make 100. Here also, in this blocks also it will be 100 only if you do count. So this is the thing actually you have to know. So 10 ones make 10, 10 tens make 100. So this is the thing. Okay. This is the first example that I have shown you. Now we will go for the second one. Let's see what it has said in the second. So in second it has given write the number and number name. Okay. This is number 2. Write the number and number name. Write the number and number name. So here it has given as an example 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here in this figures we need to know one thing, that is this each box will be considered as 100. That means this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, and these things will be considered as 10. That means this is 10, this is 10, 10, this is 10, and these things, these blocks will be considered as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if we now add all these things, it will be 300, this will be 40, and this will be 8. So now I'll have to write this thing. Write the number and number name. So write the number will be how much? That means you have to write like this. 3. From 300 I have taken 3. From 40 I will take 4. And from 8 it will be 8. That means 348 is your answer. If you add this 340 and 8 like this, 340, this 300 is this 40 is this, and this 8 is this. That means it will be 348. So this is the answer. So number name will be what? 300 and 8. So this is the answer. This is the number name and this is the number you have to write. Okay. So this thing I have shown you first. Okay. Now I will show you one more example of the same. I will now show you number C. I will now show you number C. Okay, here it is given 1, 2, 3, then it is 4, it is 4, after that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have to write the number and the number name. Okay, we will write the number name here. So as I have said, these all blocks will be considered as 100. That means this is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100. And these blocks will be considered as 1, 1, 1, 1. So what will be the answer of this one? That means here if we add, this will be 400. And this one will be how much? If we add, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4. That means 404. So we'll have to write like this: 4, 0 and this 4. Means if you add like this 400 and then this is the 4, you'll have to always consider for adding from the where? From this side. Okay. So it will be 404. So this is the answer. So this is the number that we have written, and now the name of this will be 404. So this is the answer. So I have shown you this much. The next or the other thing, whatever are the left, like B and D, you do it on your own at home, and do practice as much as possible at home so that it will be perfect. Because this maths is a subject of scoring. That's 100% you can score on it, but you'll have to do practice accordingly. Now write the number and number name. Again it has given number A, 3A. Write the number and number name. So first one I will do, that is 600 plus 7 tens plus 5 ones. So how do we do this? 600. That means let us write like this. Okay, here it will be a box, and after that this is. So 600. So you write 600 here. After that 7 tens. So 7 tens, in the sense 10 will be 7 times. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it will be 70. Fine. And here 5 ones. Okay, that means for this one it will be like this: 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it is 5. Okay, 600. Okay, that means 600 I have written like this. That means 100 will be 6 times. You can write like this: 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 100. So it will be 600. So now what do you do? This 600, no? So you write 600. After that 7 tens, matlab 70. You write 70 here. After that it is 5. So you write 5 here. So how much it is coming? It is 5, it is 7, it is 6. So 675 is your answer. So here it will be 6, 7, 5. This is the answer. This is the number. And the number name will be what? Here you need to write 6 100 and 5. So this is your number name, this one. Okay. So fine. This one I have shown you. The rest you do on your own. Next, you do on your own. Fine, at home. If you come across with any of the problem, please connect me. I will help you out in that manner. Okay. Now is the number 4. That is, write the number shown on each abacus. Write the number shown in each abacus. So here it is given H, P, then O. One, two, three, four, five. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that 1, 2. After that 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll have to write here 5. That means this is 100. Okay, this is 100. Then it is of 10. That means here it is 2, 1, 2. That means it will be 2. And after that it is the ones. That means it is 1. So 1 is 1. Here tens 2 times. That is why it is 2. And here 100 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 times. मतलब कि 100 जो है 5 बार यहाँ पे गया है इसलिए 5. यहाँ पे 10 मतलब 10 जो है दोबारा है इसलिए 2. और यहाँ पे जो 1 है मतलब 1. That is only at 1. So that's why it is 5 to 1 is the answer. So now you do the rest. So first one I have shown you. Next you do the this thing B and C you do on your own. Okay. After that I'll come to number 5. Number 5, it is write the expanded form. Write the expanded form. So how will it be? I am showing you one example, that is 5, 5, 5 equals, it has given like this, like this. So what you need to do first, how many hundreds are there? This is 5. That means here it will be 500. 5 बार 100 है. That is why it is 5. After that ये this is the 10th number. Means 10 का घर है ये. ठीक है, तो कितने times यहाँ पे 10 है? 5 times. So you have to write here 50. और ये है ones का. Like एक कितने बार है? यहाँ पे है 5. So this is the expanded form. So ये जो है this is for the 100. This is for the 10 and this is for 1. So if we now add again, if we now back calculate this one, that means this 500, after that this 50, after that this 5. So if we now add, it will be 5, 5 and 5. You need to do from here actually, this side. 5, this 5 and this 5. So triple 5. So this is this is your answer. So I have shown you already this much. Fine. So do this much. Whatever I am left with, so those things will be as of your homework. Do practice well. And before I conclude my class, you please take care of yourself from this coronavirus and do practice well. And take care of your family also. Do wear the mask in a proper manner. Okay, and do your sanitizing part also every now and then. Fine. Stay fit, stay well. Okay. Have a great day.